Hello everyone. Morning is the festival of light. Enjoy this morning. I'm Mrs. Anjali Sarode, your science teacher. Lesson 1, My Body Finish. And children, today we are going to revise this lesson, revise all topics and all points. So you should learn carefully and note down. Okay? And of course, for that you need your book. So take out your textbook, open first page. We will read one by one. Are you ready? Come on. So this is your page number 1. My body lesson name is My Body number 1. So this in first paragraph we have learned about the types of organs, external organs and internal organs. All parts can be seen from outside are known as external organs, and all of you know. And the internal, those body parts which are present inside our body and cannot be seen from outside, such body parts are called internal organs. Okay, is that clear? So give two learn or give two examples of internal and external, and then come to the next point. Our body is very complex system. Yes, it's a very complex system, like a same like a machine hai, but it's a very complex. Okay, and how system form? The organs form different system. You have to underline all these sentences. The organs form different system, and one such system is the digestive system, and we have already I taught you about the digestive system and all these lessons topics. Okay, so just revise. The organs present in these digestive systems are mouth, food pipes, stomach and intestines, small and large intestines. Okay, is that clear? Now come to the next point about the digestion. The breaking down of food into simpler form inside your body is called digestion. So note this point about the digestion. Okay, underline here, because children, you know, we need energy to survive. Okay, and to do different types of activity. So we get energy from where? From food, and this food digested in our digestive system. How I know, and I told you. So this process is known as digestion, the breaking down of food into simpler form. Okay, so mark here. Next point. So mouth, which is the first part of our digestive system, underline here with the pencil. Okay, so in this mouth, inside of mouth, what happened? Come on, turn the next page, second page. Inside our mouth there are present teeth and tongue, but first we will see teeth. About teeth, see this, note down all this point. I have marked here, you also same, you have to mark and learn. Teeth help to bite and chew the food. They also give shape to our face and help us to speak. So these are the special feature of teeth. Okay, how many sets of teeth present in our mouth? There are two sets of teeth. Number one is milk teeth and second number is a permanent teeth. How many milk teeth? 20. कितने हैं? 20 है, 20. And this milk teeth also known as temporary teeth because they fall down, है ना? And next, new teeth are formed called permanent teeth, and they are 32 in number. Is that clear? Milk teeth and permanent teeth. Okay, so you can write down difference between milk and permanent teeth in your book, and just for practice. Okay, now next, types of teeth. This is how many sets of teeth we have learned? Two sets of teeth. Now types of teeth. Number one, flat teeth. Number two, pointed teeth. And number three, broad and grooved teeth. Flat teeth present in front of our mouth. I will explain you after this next page. This is used for biting and cutting the food. This is also known as incisors teeth. Okay. Next, number two, pointed teeth. On either side of the flat teeth, there are present pointed teeth. They are used for tearing the food, and they are known as canines. Okay, and the next, broad and grooved teeth. These are present at the back of the mouth. This is your upper jaw and this is your lower jaw, children. So this back side of this mouth present broad and grooved teeth. Okay, there are two types, premolars and molars. Clear? Now turn the page. No, same page, but I will show you one figure, and then you have to count down the teeth, number of teeth. This is flat teeth, incisors teeth. See, this is lower jaw, na? And this is upper jaw. So lower jaw present incisor teeth for 1, 2, 3, 4, and upper jaw same 1, 2, 3, 4. How many incisor or flat teeth present? 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, clear? Now see, canine means pointed teeth. Either side of the flat teeth. देखो दोनों साइड फ्लैट टीथ के बाजू में दोनों साइड में ये 1 and 2 pointed teeth upside and downside also present 1 and 2, means total number of canine or pointed teeth are 4. Clear? Now next, broad and grooved teeth. There are two types, molars and premolars. Okay, so count molars. Molars teeth the back of the your mouth, means jaw, this 1, 2, 3 here, and your right side and left side 1, 2, 3 here, means lower jaw 6 and upper jaw 1, 2, 3 here, and 1, 2, 3 here, means lower and upper jaw 6 plus 6, 12 molars are present. Okay, now premolar, how many? See, count 1, 2 here lower side and 1, 2 here, 4. Okay, 2 plus 2, 4 lower side, and 2 plus 2 upper side means 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. So total, now count it, 4 plus 12, 16, and 8 plus 8, 16, means 16 plus 16, total number of permanent teeth are 32. Is that clear? किस तरह से आपने देख लिया? So understand this figure and learn also total number of permanent teeth. Now next, so you should take care of your teeth. How? Here are written here everything. You have to write down that one and learn also, read all points, that is important. Now tongue. Tongue is soft movable part inside our mouth. Mark this all sentences. It is used for tasting, licking and speaking. Okay, and it helps while pushing the food. ये काम करती है tongue. Now next page about the tongue. Okay, do you know, children, the back of the tongue is sensitive to bitter taste. See here. So this point also you have to mark here and learn. Okay, and the tip of the tongue, ये जो टिप है ना, यहाँ पे कौन सी टेस्ट आती है? सेंसिटिव टू स्वीटिंग टेस्ट. एंड द साइड, ओके, द साइड्स आर सेंसिटिव टू सोवर एंड सॉल्टी टेस्ट. सो 3 tests are here. 3 means 4 tests. You also try while eating. Along with the teeth and tongue, there are 3 pairs of salivary glands present in the mouth. How many pairs? 3 pairs. Okay, and these glands secrete saliva. Who secretes saliva? Salivary gland. Underline all these points. Okay, saliva converts insoluble starch into soluble sugar. So in this way our tongue and teeth finish here. After this, from the mouth the food goes where? Into the food pipe and enter the stomach. Now how is stomach? See the shape of stomach. The stomach is a muscular bag like in which food can be stored for a few hours. Okay, so here in stomach the food is partially digested here. So underline all this sentence, most important point. Here food is partially digested, and small intestine, after this process food goes into the small intestine from the stomach, and this is intestines, shape of intestines, coil structure. Okay, so the small intestine, the liver and the pancreas produce some more digestive juices. Liver and pancreas pour their juices into the small intestine, and they juices then get mixed with the food and completely digested in the small intestine. Means food completely digested where? In the small intestine. Okay, clear? The wall of small intestine absorb the digested food and pass into blood, and blood carries the digested food to all parts of our body. Now turn page number 5. You have to, now next important part, large intestine. After digestion, then undigested food, where to go? They undigested food passes into the large intestine. Okay, and the undigested semi-solid waste is collected in the rectum and is eliminated through the anus. And in this way, undigested and digested food means digested food passes into the blood, and the undigested where in the stored in the rectum and eliminated through the anus. Is that clear? So now this is essential point while eating the food, so you have to note down all this point, because this is repeatedly I told you in last previous video also, so no need to give a special notes here. So important of eating fresh clean food. Unwashed fruits and vegetable can carry germs of diseases, so avoid direct eating of food and vegetable. You have to wash it clearly and then use. Okay, now next last page, see these all our points here. Unwashed fruit and vegetable, if you eat, what happen here written, you read carefully and learn. Okay, then fruits and vegetable which are exposed to flies dust can transfer germs होते हैं, and because of this we causes many diseases such as jaundice and cholera. So although these points note down. And then cooked food when left uncovered and unrefrigerated for long can also cause food poisoning. So always keep in a proper place. Covered food you should eat, otherwise which causes vomiting and diarrhea. Okay, so all this you have to read, learn and ready for your test. Okay, so these are keywords. You have to write all these keywords in your CW book only one time and learn. Okay, so this is your work. I will give you homework next time, interleave book homework. One I have given you to draw the diagram of digestive system. Next time I will give one or two more. So something to know, exercise ABC you have to write in your textbook exercise with pencil, and D and E you have to write in your CW book. Is that clear? Revise all points and topics and complete your written work if incomplete. अगर incomplete है सब काम तो complete पूरा करो and first give note down all points. Okay, that is more important. Children, thanks for watching this. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Thank you.